7 years ago, I was actually overweight. I weighed 150 pounds and I'm 5'1", 5'1 and a half, and I'm shrinking to 5'1". So I'm 63 years old. I was my heaviest in 2015, 2016, where I could not tie my shoelace or put on my socks unless I had to sit sideways because my belly was all over the place and it was blocking me from reaching my feet, right? In 2017, that was when I changed my life. That was 7 years ago. So that means I was 56 at that time. So if you're older, you're in your 50s or even 40s, 60s, and you want to lose weight or just be healthy, then I hope that my story will inspire you, because today I'm going to share with you ways how you can lose your weight after menopause or premenopause, because it's doable. There's a lot of determination, but it's doable. When we don't like the way we look, it affects our self-esteem. And my channel is all about boosting our self-esteem, making you feel good about yourself. But we cannot deny the fact that if we see clothes on a mannequin or on a store, we buy them and then we wear them and don't look as good, it really hits our morale, because that happened to me. And that was my wake-up call. But I ignored it because I was busy. I'm a mom, I'm a wife. My youngest daughter was very busy in the entertainment and media business. And so I really had no time for myself. But see, that's the one big mistake that we women make, being so busy that we forget ourselves. And it's so important. Why? Because we want to live healthy, we want to live longer, if we want to be with our families. So it's like a cycle. We want to take care of ourselves. So this video is for you if you want to lose that weight. And it's been years, you've been trying so hard. You've lost and then you came back, you plateaued, things like that. You did it before and then it happened again. And that's very normal. I want to show you how I lost my weight and how I maintained it. From 150 pounds, right now I weigh 117 pounds. I've reached my happy weight. And once you've reached your happy weight, your metabolism is back. You can eat food that you have not been eating before. Of course, not excessive. But if you ever deprived yourself before of a lot of yummy things because they were high in sugar, then maybe now you can eat a little bit. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie D. If this is your first time, welcome. My goal is to help you build your self-esteem, especially if you're older, 40s and up, 50s, 60s. And I tell you, there are many ways by which we can build our self-esteem. And that's why I touch on those in all my videos. Mental health, skincare, overall health, makeup, even hairstyle, fashion, the way you dress up, anything that's part of our womanhood and lifts our self-worth. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is share with you quickly how I dropped my weight from 150 pounds to 126 in less than 6 months, because maybe some of the advice you might find not practical or not doable, but when you have, and it can never be said enough, if you have determination, if you focus on that goal, you can do it. It's gonna fire you up. By mid-2017, the whole family decided to cut down on carbs, and we are rice eaters. I'm a Filipino Canadian, so I eat a lot of rice, right? Cut down. So I cut down my rice half and then 1/4 until I was practically eating a tablespoon of rice. I would spread that around my plate, and lots of vegetables and protein, and fruit was dessert. I removed all the sugar in my cabinet, all the flour, and we have not bought white bread. Anything that was high calorie that would become sugar when it's in your body, I removed all of those. And I read a lot. That was how we started clean, healthy eating. And then November of 2017, I enrolled in the gym. I enrolled with my youngest, who was suffering from depression, because exercise lifts your serotonin. And that was when my weight easily went down. By 2018, I weighed 126 pounds and went down to 118 within less than a year. And that's the weight that I'm maintaining right now. It's 2025. 7 years and counting. And I've never relapsed. So how do I maintain my weight? It's eating healthy and exercise. Now, what if you can't exercise? I'm going to give you tips on how you can prepare your food and the eating lifestyle that you should have so that you can stay healthy, and maintain your weight. Because, our metabolism is down once we hit 50s, right? It's very hard to maintain your weight. Plus, we begin to have belly fat, especially after menopause, right? We can't hide that. So I've learned to accept the fact that, yes, I will have belly fat. But see, that's in the belly. As long as I'm healthy, my blood sugar is normal, and I don't have hypertension, I don't have cholesterol, I'm clean, I don't take medications. I've been taken off medications by my doctor since 2016. And I have to maintain that. So I'm very thankful. And I know it's doable because who wants to take medicines every day? And I'm going to come up with an ebook, how to lose weight and how to maintain your weight, especially when you're older. So stay tuned for that because it'll have very thorough information of how I lost my weight and how I maintained it to this day. So yes, there's exercise. I actually exercise 4 to 5 times a week. And that's about 1.5 hours every day. But exercise takes many forms. You can walk faster until you feel that you're trying to catch your breath. That's what my doctor said. Then you know you're giving your heart that exercise it needs. And then that way you don't have hypertension, right? Exercise can also be in form of dance or just if you're working in the office, make sure to stand once in a while. Walk around 1 minute, 2 minutes, they all add up. And when you park your car, you're going to the grocery, you're going to church, you're going somewhere, park your car purposely farther away. Not when it's dark because it's very dangerous, right? You want to be close to the venue. But otherwise, during the day, park further. And then that way you are forced to walk. Lifting weights is very good. I have 2 sets of dumbbells. One is 1 pound. 1 pound each and 2 pounds each because I injured my back in 2018. So I cannot carry heavy weight. But I have those because carrying weights helps in weight loss. So I'm going to talk about exercise in another video because otherwise this is going to be very long. I'm just touching little by little and then you can look at the more specific videos down the road. Now let's talk about food. Since 2017, this is how my plate looks. 50% vegetables, greens, bell pepper, leafy vegetables, 25% protein, and the other 25% healthy carbs like sweet potato. If you can do away with dessert, that's perfect. Otherwise, if you really want to have some dessert just to wash away whatever taste you had from your dinner plate, then you can always try berries. Number 2, intermittent fasting. Have an eating window. My eating window is from 1 o'clock in the afternoon to 7 or 8. So at the most, I would fast from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. That's 12 hours, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's a really good fast because it puts your body into ketosis mode where your body starts to burn its own calories on its own. Now, otherwise, a minimum of 13 hours fast. That includes your sleeping hours. So it's really easy and doable. And coupled with walking every day, if you can walk to the park or if you can walk to your destination, then you are already changing your lifestyle. And don't worry, it will take a while, especially if you've had that kind of frame for a long time. Be patient with yourself. Believe in yourself. Because in 2017 to 2018, when I was really going hardcore on exercise, I would wake up at 4:30 in the morning, bring my girls with me, we'll be in the gym by 5:30. But see, you don't have to do that because it depends on your lifestyle. But find a way to walk, do brisk walking, do your exercise while doing other things, multitask, then it will distract you from the fact that you're trying to actually burn fat, right? The thing is, it's a mindset. It's a mindset. When you feel like you can't do exercise, just focus on yourself. Like, how do you want to look? How do you want to feel once this is all over? And tell yourself, this is just going to be 30 minutes. This is just going to be, start with 15 minutes because it's easier to motivate yourself. Oh, this is just 15 minutes. And then when you're used to it, your body will start looking for it. And then this is just going to be 30 minutes until you're actually doing it and you're actually looking for it. Because your goal is to finally be able to say like, oh my gosh, my body needs it. That's me. My body looks for it. My mind looks for it. If I didn't exercise during the day and I knew that I should have exercised, then really my mind and body feel like I have betrayed them. I know this is extra, but this is how I motivate myself. So find a way to motivate yourself because you can. I hope you're finding this episode useful, don't forget to give it a like, comment, and share. Share with someone you know who you think might need this. And subscribe to my channel because I come up with videos that will make you feel good about yourself, especially when you're older. Don't forget to follow me on my other social media platforms, Instagram, @TheRealD, TikTok @TheRealD, and my Facebook page, Building Your Self-Esteem on Social Media. And I have a website. Don't forget to sign up for my newsletter so that when I come up with my announcement, when my ebooks are up, then you are the first to know. Thank you so much for watching. I'm here to motivate you and cheer you up. It is doable. I've done it. It's been 7 years, going 8 years, and so can you. Bye for now.